Welcome to our video, in which we talk about how Tesla's Cybertruck might affect the stock price of the company. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel before we get into the specifics. If you have been watching our channel, you have probably come across Cathie Wood. She is the CEO of ARK Invest and a strong advocate for Tesla's cutting-edge technology. She thinks the F-150, which has controlled the pickup market for several decades, will face serious competition from Tesla's Cybertruck. We'll examine production and delivery data for 2023 and 2024 in this video to see if the Cybertruck has what it takes to propel Tesla shares higher. We'll also talk about Tesla's expected earnings and revenue, and how the performance of the Cybertruck might impact these figures. Now that you're comfortable, let's examine how the Cybertruck might affect Tesla's stock price. As previously mentioned, if you are a subscriber to our channel, Cathie Wood may have appeared on screen a few times. Renowned investor Cathie is also the CEO of ARK Invest, a company that owns a sizable portion of Tesla. In the past, she has been an outspoken advocate for Tesla and its cutting-edge technologies. She even made the bold prediction that Tesla's stock may hit $1,000 by 2025. Not surprisingly, Cathie sees the Cybertruck as having a good effect on Tesla's stock price. Cathie expressed her interest in the Cybertruck in a recent interview and said that her team has examined every aspect and measure, with amazing findings that greatly outperform other models. She also talked about the notorious tug-of-war that happened between the F-150 and the Cybertruck. As was to be expected, Tesla's amazing engineering triumphed and the Cybertruck took first place. Both the Ford F-150 and the Cybertruck are pickup vehicles with unique features and designs. The F-150 has long held the top spot in the pickup truck market, but Tesla is making its first move into the segment with the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's exterior is constructed of stainless steel and features a sleek shape, sharp edges, and a futuristic appearance. In contrast, the F-150 boasts a more conventional design with softer edges and a boxy appearance. The F-150's design is more traditional, but the Cybertruck's has created a lot of debate and discussion. Impressive performance specs are found in the Cybertruck. It features a 500-mile range, a 14,000-pound towing capacity, and an acceleration time of less than 6.5 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour. In contrast, the F-150 can tow up to 14,000 pounds, travel up to 700 miles, and come with a variety of engine options that can generate up to 430 horsepower. The Cybertruck boasts a few special features, like an air compressor for power equipment, an onboard power outlet, and a retractable tonneau cover. A few of the features of the F-150 are a tailgate step, an infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a Pro Power onboard generator. Each vehicle has advantages and disadvantages, and the best one will rely on the requirements and tastes of the individual. Let's examine delivery and production in 2023 and 2024 to see if the Cybertruck can propel Tesla shares higher. Even though selling the Model S and Model X for $100,000 would require Tesla to reduce pricing by 10%, doing so would still generate $8.6 billion in revenue. The Model 3 and Model Y both received the same 10% reduction, resulting in average sales prices of $45,000 for the Model 3 and $50,000 for the Model Y. With this model, we bring in over $30 billion a year. Tesla purposefully reduced prices by 14% in the second quarter of 2022, yet still managed to turn a 15.41% operational profit in Q4 2022. We project net earnings of more than $3.6 billion, of which $12 billion will come from one source and another $12 billion from another. My estimate for the second half's operating margin is 15%. By 2024, 50,000 Cybertrucks are scheduled to be constructed, with a going rate of $55,000. This is expected to have a significant impact on the stock price in the years 2025 to 2027. Only 3,000 Cybertrucks will be produced in 2023 because it is difficult to produce them in large quantities. Even yet, significant margins of more than 20% are anticipated, with total revenue in 2023 predicted to be between $160 million and $162 million. With a 20% margin of error, a cautious approach is taken in making this prediction. The estimated net income for 2023 is close to $11.3 billion, a billion less than the previous year, with total revenue of about $92.5 billion and an operating margin of 12.2%. Earnings are anticipated to increase if the semi is included. It is feasible to construct 50,000 Cybertrucks by 2024, generating over $600 million in income. The average cost of a compact vehicle will also contribute to this gain if the margins expand by 22%. By 2024, the average price of a compact car will have dropped, contributing to a nearly 20-fold increase in the number of Cybertrucks. Because it only costs $150,000, making mass production easier, the semi is likely to be even more helpful. All things considered, this will boost Tesla's earnings per share, and by 2023, net income of $20 billion on $132 billion in sales will almost triple. Only the energy industry is expected to provide a 15% margin in stock prices in 2023 and 2024, resulting in a profit of about $1 billion. For the last 3 quarters, Tesla's energy operating margin has ranged from 10% to 12%, and in the next 4th quarter, it is anticipated to increase by 12%. As a result, given the current level of activity, a 15% growth is anticipated in 2023. To ascertain if the market will be in a bull or bear phase in 2024, further data is required. Rebates will be available for all 2.5 million automobiles produced, generating $150 billion in revenue overall and $25 billion in net profitability. It seems plausible to me to estimate $11.5 billion in revenue and a 16% profit margin, which would result in over $1.8 billion in profit. The profitable and inventive Tesla has decreased the number of outstanding shares from 3.2 billion to 3.3 billion. Energy, FSD, and even the Cybertruck are all part of Tesla's great plan. If the Cybertruck is a success, it could propel the company's PE to $461 per share and $1.5 trillion by 2024. Consider this. Jane had long had a fondness for investing in vehicles and had her sights set on Tesla shares. She was inspired to consider her own future after reading an intriguing article about financial planning and early retirement one day. She began mentally calculating how much it would cost to retire at 40 and live comfortably till 80 years of age. She calculated that in order to pay her bills, she would require about $4,000 per month, or $48,000 annually. She would require an astounding $1.92 million to pay for that over 40 years. However, she suddenly recalled that she had been watching Tesla's stock for years and was aware of the company's potential for success. After doing some quick research, she discovered that she could purchase around 4,339 Tesla shares for $700,000 at the current market value. That made her consider the following scenario. What if she bought Tesla shares today and kept onto it for the ensuing years? She could sell her shares at a much higher price and make a profit that would enable her to retire early and live well for the remainder of her life if the company's stock value improved as she anticipated it would. Jane made the bold decision to purchase Tesla stock. She actively monitored the company's development and the price of the shares. As the years passed, Jane saw the value of Tesla's shares rise steadily. She was shocked to see that her shares were valued more than $7.2 million when she verified their value after turning 40. Jane might retire comfortably and lead the life of her dreams with that amount of money. She would never have to worry about money again, allowing her to travel the world, engage in her hobbies, and follow her passions. And all of it was made possible by her astute purchase of Tesla stock. In conclusion, given the increasing value of the Cybertruck, Tesla has an undeniable potential for development and profit. Making wise financial choices and following a well-thought-out plan will enable you to retire early, Investors are encouraged to invest in this unique and exciting company by Cathie Wood's unwavering belief in Tesla's future. Please like and subscribe for more videos if you liked this one.